Imagine walking into a courtroom ready to give your verdict on a serious crime, and then suddenly realizing the person on trial is your own childhood best friend. What would you do? Would you follow the law or follow your heart? Today's story will leave you shocked, emotional, and questioning what justice truly means. Because what happened inside that courtroom is something no one expected. Judge Carter sat in his high-backed chair, his expression as unreadable as stone. To the jury, to the lawyers, and to the crowded gallery, he was the picture of composure, calm, disciplined, impartial. But beneath the surface, his heart churned with a storm of emotions he could no longer contain. Could it really be true? Could Daniel, the boy who once sprinted across dusty fields with him, laughing with reckless abandon, truly be guilty of such betrayal? William's mind fought against the possibility. He remembered Daniel's kindness, his loyalty, the way he used to share everything, even the last piece of candy from his pocket. That boy had never been capable of cruelty, let alone greed. But then the cold, unyielding weight of the evidence pressed down on him. The documents, the transfers, the missing money. Each detail seemed to shout the same damning truth. On paper, Daniel wasn't a childhood friend. He was a criminal. William felt his throat tighten. This wasn't just another case. This was a clash between two worlds. The innocence of his past and the harsh reality of the present. He longed to believe Daniel, to see even a shred of the boy he had once known reflected in his eyes. But when he looked at the man sitting before him, he saw someone broken, desperate, and stained by suspicion. For a moment, William allowed himself to imagine the jury's perspective. They didn't see a childhood friend. They didn't hear the laughter of two boys under the summer sun. They saw only a defendant cornered by damning evidence. And wasn't that what justice demanded? Decisions made not by feelings, but by facts. Still, deep within him, a quiet voice whispered, "People change? But do they change this much?" He wanted desperately to believe there was an explanation, a mistake, something that would unravel this nightmare. Yet the longer the trial went on, the harder it became to separate truth from illusion. To everyone else, Judge Carter was just doing his job, maintaining order and neutrality. But inside, he was reliving every game, every dream, every memory, and asking himself the most painful question of his life. Had his best friend truly become a thief, or was he watching an innocent man be destroyed?